Hi boys and girls! So you just finished watching a video of me talking about why writers write. Now in this video today, we're going to talk about our Writer's Workshop expectations. Now there are expectations on writing, okay? There are some expectations that I will require from you to be a good writer. Now right here, Miss Wynn created 4 boxes. It says Writer's Workshop expectations. Students will what? Now, can anyone raise your hand and tell me, what is this boy doing with his ears? When I am teaching a lesson and I am giving you a topic to write on and I'm teaching you something about writing, what is this boy doing with his ears? That's right. He's listening and he's learning to the teacher. So I'm going to write, listen and learn. It's important to listen and learn to Miss Wynn or to Miss Murphy teach, because we might be giving important information on on some skills that you might learn for Writer's Workshop. So you need to make sure that you're listening and learning. Now look at picture number 2. What is this boy doing? Once he's learned what the expectations are for writing, what is he doing? Is he sitting at a table, or is he walking around, getting a water break, watching TV? What is he doing? That's right. He's focused and he's sitting down writing the entire time. Now, a good reader, they don't get distracted. They try to sit very still in a place that they are not distracted, and they're writing the entire time. So in box number 2, good writers, they write the entire time. All right. Now, after you guys are writing the entire time, look at box number 3. What do I have here? It's a piece of paper. There's a story or a sentence. But what is this right here? What do writers do whenever they're done writing? That's right. There's a picture. Writers, they come up with an illustration. Can you say illustration? Yeah. Illustration is just a big fancy word for drawing. Have you ever noticed a book before that you flipped through that didn't have any pictures? No. Most of the books that we read in our classroom are picture books that have writing, words, and pictures, illustrations. So writers always want to make sure that they have an illustration that goes with their writing. So in box number 3, I'm going to write illustrations. Now, the last expectation that I'm expecting from you, look at box number 4. I see another person. What are they doing? Yeah, they share their stories. Now, you don't have your classmates with you at the moment, but anytime we're on Zoom together with our class, what do I always have you guys do? That's right, share. But if we don't have any time to share with our classmates, who else can you share at your house? Yeah, your parents. I'm sure they would love to hear your stories. So I'm going to write share. So now that you've learned our Writer's Workshop expectations, I will continue on and tell you what you're going to do next.